Alright, giving this transmission a final clean before I put it together. And I see that a big piece of debris got here in the bearing. Push that down into there, and that could be stuck onto a cage. Now it could lock up your roller in here, which is not good. Probably a big ball bearing in there. So that's not good being like that. You know, obviously something went in there hard and got jammed in there. So we're going to pry that up a little bit and see if we can try to determine if that cage in there is spinning freely or not. The balls are in there and you got a cage around the balls holding them all in. And if the cage stops rotating, then the rollers won't roll, balls won't roll, and it'll tear up the bearing. So that's not good being like that. More likely it's just going to pop off. Interrupted already.